I have just bought this Combe Valley bed platform for our new Kia PV5. And I think it's going to be a real game changer for so many people because, like a lot of people, we have got this car on lease and therefore couldn't make any meaningful changes to it. However, we do camp as a family a lot, and therefore this bed platform allows us to sleep in the van and use it like a camper van without making any permanent changes. This is the first time of me putting this together, and I'm going to say that it took me about 10-15 minutes, and it went together easily, slotted together nicely, and knew where everything was supposed to go. The only thing that I slightly struggled with was the weight of this section, but if you've got somebody to help you, obviously that would make it easier. But even by myself, I managed it. It was just a bit unwieldy. With the addition of this bed platform, it feels like it makes the Kia PV5 a car that really can do everything. Like, I'm a part-time dog walker and I normally have 2 large crates in the back of the car, but the cabin of the car is so big that it can take everything that the family needs as well. So with this bed platform, it means that I can whip out those dog crates, fill the car up with camping stuff, and it can sleep 3 of us on the inside, with me and my husband on the bed platform, and my daughter will be sleeping on a blow-up bed on the front seats. It did catch a little bit on the roof here as I was putting it over, but not enough for it to stop it going over. And I think I learned a process as I went along, because I felt like that was going to either just drop down or jam my fingers, so I opted to walk round and come and get it from the other side. The last section is a bit that just fits into place and you can take it out. It's removable so that you can still use the storage that is underneath, which is really useful. But it feels like such a huge space that I decided I was going to try out the things that I have. So I had a blow-up bed that I used in my previous car, which is the size of a Golf, an ID3. And it became very apparent that actually it was way too small, and therefore I blew it up and then decided that I was not going to use it because there was loads of space around the side, and I think I would end up rolling off the side with my husband on there as well. So popped that down and tried out my sleeping mats that I've got. Now, both of the sleeping mats that I've got are actually wide sleeping mats, so they are singles but they're wider and they fit next to each other, which is amazing. That's loads of space, which I had a go, tried it out, tried rolling around on it, see how much space there was, and it was absolutely cavernous. One thing that I was a little bit worried about is how bendy the hinges are, and it was only really apparent when I was moving it around, so it's just something that I'm going to have to be really careful with, because it feels like there's a lot of strain on those screws and the hinges. But what an amazing product!